I'm loving it.
Alright, babe. So what are we up to tonight?
Well, first of all, good evening.
Good evening.
Milady.
No, right now we're on the way to Orlando Speedworld, the track that we use the most, and it's probably played out for you guys watching. But anyway, that's about to change, because we have this, and the drift car is back there, and it's awesome. So, brief little
And
story.
that is Martin.
I saw it.
You're
Yeah.
dark, but it's okay.
You've met Martin before in the previous video.
Yes.
But he used to work with me also and go to school with me. We went to school together at the same school.
Same school, same school, same school.
What'd you say?
Schooling. That's all you said was same school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah.
So, I lost my train of thought, babe.
Well,
Anyway.
we'll be there for a session. But it's fine.
You are a negative Nancy.
Look, we're gonna
Negative
get some
Nat.
good ass videos of this session, okay? Don't.
Thank you, Martin.
Don't.
Thank
feel-
you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Martin.
Anyway, a brief overview. I remember now. No thanks to you, babe.
You're
I'm
welcome.
kidding. But
Focus on
an
driving.
overview of the vehicle. I finally bought a truck, and I was gonna wait a little longer until I found one I really liked, and then pretty much modified it and did what I want to it to make it look how I want. And then out of nowhere, Natalie's mom finds this 2006 Ford F-250 in Newport Richey, and it's black. I didn't even know they came in black because I'd never seen one, and I fell in love with it. So I had it the next day,
So here we are.
and here we are.
8 inches off the ground.
No, it's an 8-inch lift, so the amount
sorry.
of inches that were off the ground is probably more than I feel like figuring out right now.
Like a foot and a half, maybe?
Only thing
Y'all are
bad about
way
the
off.
truck
Y'all are
is
way
the
off.
stitching. We gotta get seat covers because
There's nothing wrong with the Gators. They just need to win.
wind.
They always lose. They need to win. They need to win and make money.
Yeah, so we'll see you at the track.
Alright, so we finally made it, and we are parked up and stuff, and yeah, babe.
It's a cluster.
It is a cluster. It is a big cluster.
Oh my god! Hey!
Whoa!
Is that super?
Hey! Supra?
Is that super?
I don't know, is it?
What's up?
Hey!
Hey!
Ben Shapiro, he's killing me. Stop, Ben Shapiro, stop. Stop it. All right, I'm handing this over to Ben Shapiro. Stop.
Oh God.
All right, Bob Ben.
Wait, where are you going? Oval or
We're going to Shapiro Land.
Shapiro Land?
Yeah.
Where
I
the
like
hell's that?
Shapiro Land. Huh?
Here goes pad.
What?
Pad?
Huh?
Pad?
Huh? What?
Is it that time of the month?
Yeah.
Do you need a pad?
Yeah.
All right, to the pad we go. Hello guys, Ben Shapiro on the vlog. We're currently walking to the pad. It's Jason's time of the month, and we're gonna see how he does. guys are up to.
What?
What's happening?
For some reason, my car started running only on battery power, and
Really?
the alternator was not doing its job.
Uh-oh.
So, I don't know if the, what the hell? I don't know if the frickin' relay for the alternator is like jacked, or there's a connection issue. No, see, everything's good there.
Do we have to give her the old push?
No, don't say that. Don't say that, Ben Shapiro. Pow, 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 pow. Okay.
It's me.
You gotta drop a pose. What are you doing?
Back from Petty.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Where did Brennan go? Brennan.
He had to go home to his mama. Or else she's gonna be mad.
Hey.
I stole his girlfriend. He's just walking around being like, damn, I'm left alone.
He has my phone too.
Oh! Hey,
Poor
we'll be right
guy.
back. Are you staying right here or are you going to the trailer?